Welcome to this video on the Skinny Fat Protocol, which focuses on body recomposition, improving insulin sensitivity, and effective nutrient partitioning. In this video, we explore the hormonal trap and why traditional bulk and cut cycles often fail when applied to a skinny fat physique. The skinny fat physique is defined by a visual disconnect, low muscle mass, combined with higher levels of visceral and subcutaneous fat, often around the midsection. This lack of structural support makes the body appear softer. Binary approaches often fail. A dirty bulk can lead to increased fat storage due to poor insulin sensitivity, while aggressive cutting can result in muscle loss, leaving one looking malnourished. Insulin sensitivity is a key factor. In a skinny fat state, muscle receptors may be unresponsive, causing nutrients to be stored as fat rather than repairing muscle. Our objective is to improve this process. Next, we will look at the recomposition diet, a strategy designed to fuel muscle growth while simultaneously burning fat reserves. This table outlines the recommended nutrient partitioning targets, including protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrate ratios to support muscle synthesis and hormonal health. When comparing caloric efficiency, maintenance levels at your total daily energy expenditure serve as the sweet spot for effective body recomposition. Achieving the desired V-taper physique requires specific mechanical stimulation through training to build the necessary structure. The training approach relies on three pillars: heavy tension for adaptation, a V-taper bias to improve proportions, and adequate CNS recovery for progress. This 12-week roadmap takes you through 4 phases, from priming insulin sensitivity and building muscle, to the final reveal and peaking. If you are ready to start, you can download the complete Skinny Fat Transformation Blueprint at the link shown. Analysis is complete, now go execute. This final slide lists the image source used in this video.